Hey y'all, what's up and welcome to my channel. You'll see this big box. I got grounded because of this big box. No, really, I spent a lot of money on Black Friday. Actually, it was on Thanksgiving Day for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. They released the mystery boxes and just his little holiday collection. So I was just, you know, the last time we all went on that website and tried to get the Shane and Jeffree, the internet broke. Well, it almost broke again. So I tried my best and I got as much as I could. So I'm here and I am ready to dig in and let's get started. So first thing is the mini Velour liquid lipstick. This is the open here for Nudes. This is, I think it might have been his first Nudes bundle. Oh, some of them were coming out of the thing, hold on. So I fell in love with his liquid lipstick formula and I got the shade Celebrity Skin, but there are so many other nude shades that I wanted to try from him. So why not get the little minis? I mean, I don't wear lipstick that much, so I love these little minis. I've been trying to organize my makeup lately and just kind of get my house in order, and I've been wanting a lipstick display, and hello, this is the, it's kind of like opalescent, just white with a iridescent glitter all over it, and that's just all my vibes. Ugh, I love it. How cute. I've always wanted one of these. I've always loved like display stuff like for jewelry and things like that. So I like to know what I have, and if it's out in front of me and I can see it and it's not in a drawer, you know, I think I'm really gonna enjoy this. This wrapping is so cute. This is the 5-year anniversary lipstick collection, and they're full size. Oh my gosh. So I have Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe. I've never seen a true green lipstick before. That is wild. And the shade Ho Ho Ho. This looks like a red with like purple and pink glitters in it, so that looks really pretty. These are what I was most excited for, and I'm sure everyone else. I only got 2 and I didn't even know which ones I got because I just like clicked and I was like nervous, so I just kept, you know, putting other stuff in my cart. Whoops. But yes, the Extreme Frost. I just like have wanted to put this on so bad. This one is Sour Ice, and it's literally like a jewelry box. Like, this looks like it would be like a really expensive watch or something in here. The other one I got is Gag Me. They literally look the same when you're looking at them. I mean, there's a little bit of a shift of difference, but they pretty much like, but I think like when we swatch them, let's see that they're gonna look completely different. Okay, so this is Gag Me, and it says beauty tip, finger application suggested, tap on for blinding filter finish. So let's do this. Can we see? Just kind of going around. Okay, we're gonna swatch first. This is ready to put this on my face. Literally Gag Me, I can't breathe. Oh my gosh. That is the craziest thing I've ever seen. So Gag Me is the one with blue iridescent. I mean, oh my gosh. This is Sour Frost, this one. It has more of a green shift. So let's see. Yeah, so that one's more blue, this one's more green. Are we blinding? Y'all, that's just insane. Oh, that one. So those are fun. Now this is probably a mirror because I'm pretty sure I got a mirror. Dang it, I need scissors. Yes, y'all. Hi, how are ya? This is like my favorite opal iridescent just vibes ever. This is the mini box. So this is the mini mystery box. This is the one we all got refunded for because it was marketed as having an exclusive makeup or cosmetic item, and it didn't. So I haven't watched anybody's mystery box unboxing because I just kind of wanted to be completely surprised myself. Dude, I'm excited. Can we just open this already? My goodness. I'm getting pissed. Feels like there's literally nothing in this. Okay, we have 2 lipsticks. So I have a lip ammo, which I really like these, and a Velour liquid lipstick. I have the full size and Posh Spice, so let's open this up. This is actually a really wearable color, I believe. Yes, it is a nude. And I have the lip ammo, where it looks like a little pink bullet, and androgyny. This is perfect for the holidays. And then the last item is stickers. Now, this is not my cup of tea, and that's just a personal preference. When you buy something from like a cosmetic brand, you know, you're hoping for getting the most bang for your buck on makeup, but you know, it is what it is. My husband loves stickers. It's like a thing for people, but not me. And that's just, you know, I get why people were upset. So good on him for refunding everybody, because that was a mistake, you know, a marketing error for sure. But I paid $20 for 2 lipsticks and some stickers that could retail for like $8 to $10. Like when my husband goes to Comic-Cons and stuff, those stickers are like maybe $10 for one. So, you know, some people are into that. But yeah, one lipstick is $20 or $18. So it's definitely a good value, I will say. Now for the deluxe. This is heavy too. I got the middle one last time, the premium. So I got the premium last time, and that one was really good. Speaking of, yeah, the mini one last time had a eyeshadow palette. So that's why, you know, everyone was like, Jeffree, you're never supposed to cut towards you. If my husband were here, he'd be screaming. So this was $100, by the way. So there better be a lot of stuff in here. Ooh, this is kind of cool. This is a hoodie. I love a good hoodie. It has the Jeffree Star logo on the sides. And on the front it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, premium cosmetics company, the 5-year anniversary, Calabasas. And on the back, iconic. Dude, this is really cute actually. I would wear this. I mean, I'm a mom. It's not really that cold outside, but I'm a mom and it's long. So I would obviously wear it with leggings and, you know, it's my mom uniform. Oh my gosh, there's like a lot of stuff in here. I want y'all to see. Ah! If this is the Thirsty palette that I don't have, I'm gonna scream. Oh my God, I'm so glad I didn't buy this. Oh my God, it's the Thirsty palette. I wanted this so bad when it came out, but I had like literally just had a baby and, you know, babies are expensive and I didn't need to waste money on makeup, but oh my gosh, I have it. Oh, wow. And this is like perfect for summer coming up. Like I love these nude colors, perfect transition colors. But I like his neutrals a lot in palettes because they're not always so warm toned, you know, and like I get very, very fair and pale in the winter times and just majority of the time. And so all those warm tones don't always look so flattering to me. So I really like a cool tone brown. A Supreme Frost. This is the Supreme Frost. That's the candy apple drip. And literally it is not something I would ever like spend money on for this particular item, but I've always wanted to see truly what it looks like in person. You see that? It is literally a green highlighter. I will have to come show y'all up close, but that is for sure green. I would never ever put that on my cheeks. I will tell you right now, but that would be really pretty on the eyes or something, you know? You can always use it in different ways. Oh. Yay, more stickers. Okay, I don't know what this is. Actually, I do know what this is. This has got to be the exclusive. Oh my God, the Peppermint Frost. Did y'all see pictures of this? So this is a Skin Frost Pro palette, which means you get 3 highlighters. Oh, cute. That is precious. You have shades Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. I gotta touch them all. Ugly Sweater has like a pinkish red and like a white frosty, but it's like a almost peachy. Like that would flatter, I think, medium skin tones too. And Igloo Gold, that is chunky. Oh my God. Just like you do not, like I already messed up the star because I pressed too hard. It's very soft pressed. It's just very metallic-y. Okay, then Chocolate Ice. It literally looks like, what is it called? There's the marble slab one where it's like white and the chocolate, the marble. Oh, wait, I think that was really pretty. Yes, that's a deeper one. So honestly, you have, like, this would flatter, I think, everyone's skin tone for the most part. Very cute. I'm excited to put this on my face. Okay, I have 2 lipsticks left and a straw. Last thing is a straw. It's a reusable straw and a cleaning brush. These haven't caught on too much in Texas, I don't think, but I'm glad that I have one because this is my first metal straw. And then I have 2 lipsticks. I have Soft Serve and First Class. I think I already have Soft Serve, so I'm not gonna open this one. Well, I can open it from the bottom, but I'm not gonna swatch it. It's just very light peachy color. This one is First Class. It looks like it's gonna be gold. I got a gold lipstick. Ah, what? Y'all are gonna want me to put this on, aren't you? A time and a place, and I would wear this. Like, I kind of like it. It looks crazy here and when I swatched it, but on my lips, I don't think it looks as bad. In the comments, y'all are gonna come for me. And that was the last thing I got. I mean, I got a lot of stuff, and I think that Deluxe Box, the $100 one, I got way more than $100. Like, clearly. The stickers, I mean, I'm almost 30. Like, what am I gonna do with some stickers? Clearly, the star of the show was the Extreme Frost, and specifically in Gag Me, like that blue frosty. Oh, it's so good. Like, I just want to keep touching it. But I'm always getting some crazy makeup from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Let me know if y'all got a mystery box and what did y'all get in it? Did y'all get that Thirsty palette? Oh yeah, I forgot I even got that palette. Oh my gosh, I had stickers laying on top of it. I got this palette. I'm like, what? So that's awesome. I didn't have this one. I'm really excited, and I'm excited to try more lipsticks out from him. And overall, I'm just really happy. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.